Right. So the question is, the number of children was 30, and the 30, there are 30 children who made the paper bags. Those were 5,280 paper bags were made by 30 children. And the question is, how much did each child make? Paper bags made by each child is how much. So we are to find out that thing, that how much each child make, we have to divide. We are going to divide the number of bags they made by the number of children, so that we get the answer that how many bags were made by each child. All right, so we are going to divide it here. 5,280 divided by 30. And since you all know the table of 3, so it's easy to do it with the table of 30. Whatever is the table of 3 will be the same, or table will be for the table of 30, but you will only add a 0. Like 3 ones are 3, so 30 ones are 30. 3 twos are 6, 30 twos are 60. 3 threes are 9, 30 threes are 90. 3 fours are 12, 34s are 120. Right? So using this table, we will this is going to help us to write down the answer here, and we are going to divide it. All right, so first thing that you're going to do is we are going to do 31 times 30, because 32 times is 60, which is bigger than 52. So we have to do 31 times 30 and subtract it. 2 minus 0 is 2, 5 minus 3 is also 2, and now we are going to bring down this 8 here, and now we are going to do is 37 times. So you know that 3 sevens are 21, so 37 times will be 210. So we can do this because 3 sevens are 24, and that 240 will be bigger than this 228. So we will do 37 times. 37 times 210 we are going to do. All right, and then we are going to subtract it. 8 minus 0 is 8, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, and now we are going to bring down this last digit here, 180. And you all know that 3 is 6 times 18, so 30 is 6 times going to be 180, and we can divide it now. 36 times 180, and nothing will be remaining here, 0, and your answer is now 170. Each child made 176 bags. So you can write down in the last, you can write down the statement here. Each child made is equals to 176 paper bags. All right, so that's how we are going to do this question. We are going to divide it, and whenever we in any question it is required to find out about each thing, about one thing, then we have to find when we are going to divide in that question. All right, okay.